Toyota decided to manufacture our own battery systems, and we've actually adapted our batteries specifically to our truck profiles. We now have control over the entire ecosystem, if you will. So what starts at a very small module automotive cell quickly constructs and can become architected into something much greater that optimizes our core vehicle platforms, gives us the ability to plug into the charging ecosystem as well. We've got end-of-line testing and integration simulation capability that no other OEM has to offer at this point in time to really show that investment. So the manufacturing is actually done up in Binghamton, New York. Customers can remain at peace of mind, if you will, in the sense that our same battery technology is going down that TPS or Toyota Production System quality line from beginning of component selection all the way to the finished good. So that same quality, same expectation and engineering expertise can be recognized as a standard of this as well, no different than the quality of the forklifts that we produce today. We embrace everything from a pre-sales perspective. We have application engineers that will go on site, walk the facilities, map out the different options associated. We will go in and quantify consumption economics on the front end to make sure that our recommendations are not only holistic in the approach to give the customer the best cost and best technology at the price point they seek. I think that from a Toyota perspective, we have achieved a new level of partnership, if you will, from a support after the sale perspective. No longer are there third-party diagnostic tools, additional technicians required to come on site. We have actually taken our diagnostics and service components of these batteries and harmonized them directly with the vehicles themselves. So that same technician could be an entry-level technician all the way up to a master class technician. They can go out, update software firmware, it's standardized, it's readily available. It creates a much better owning experience. It's thinking about the facility at a holistic approach. It's not about just moving a vehicle anymore. It's about empowering the facility to do it more resiliently in a cost-effective manner. Toyota really differentiates ourselves in the sense that we are a strategic partner. We understand the front side of things. We can help you with the execution of that. And then we've got world-class service after the sale to ensure that your facility continues running at that optimal level.